We'll see, we'll see. Yes! Oh my god, yes! Hi guys, good evening. Welcome back to our channel. My name is Jovi, and for today's video, well, actually, tonight's video na pala guys kasi 7 o'clock na siya ng gabi. So, wala akong vlog today guys kasi obviously sa atin yung nag-work. And, na-receive ko pala to in the mail kaninang umaga guys. So, then I realized that I'm going to make a video kung saan ko binibili yung mga damit ni Paris guys. So, the stuff that I'm going to show you tonight guys is well, mostly clothing na nabili ko online, and the website na ginagamit ko guys is Aliexpress. I don't know how you pronounce it properly, Aliexpress or Aliexpress, but anyways, I'll leave the link down in the description bar below guys para ma-check out nyo. I really like this website kasi yung mga clothes nila guys, especially yung mga pambata guys, it's very affordable, tapos very fashionista pa siya. So alam nyo na ako guys, I love dressing Paris up. Like, she is my human baby doll and I love putting nice clothes on her. So, kaya, ipapakita ko na sa inyo guys. So, yung mga bagay, mga clothes dito na iba guys, mostly nasuot na ni Paris. So, maybe you've seen it sa Facebook tsaka sa Instagram ko. But anyways, I'm gonna show them to you again so you'll see what it looks like. Tapos I'll give you, I don't know the pricing anymore because some of them I've had them for a while, so I can't remember. But I'm gonna give you an idea. There's nothing over $30 here. So maybe some of them are like 10, 15. Maybe the pinakamahal is I don't know, say 25, maybe $25. But in no particular order guys, I'm gonna show them to you one by one. So if you are interested, please keep on watching. So, sana naman mag-cooperate yung lighting natin kasi nga madilim na, medyo madilim na sa labas, tingnan nyo. And yung phone ko lang, yung flashlight ko lang yung gamit ko kasi, ewan ko, kasi gusto kong umupo dito kasi nandito na yung mga gamit, kaya hindi na ako nag-film sa beauty room ko. So anyways, first thing first na nandito guys is this. Tingnan nyo guys kung gaano ka-cute ito. So, pag sinusuot to ni Paris guys, she always get compliment. Yung parang, wow, you know, very fashionista, diba? Kasi tingnan nyo naman, oh, ang liit-liit, tapos may mga pa-rip-rip pang nalalaman dyan, oh. So, that's the one. So, madali na lang natin, guys, kasi medyo, marami-rami siya, guys, and it might take forever kapag, explain pa tayo. Gusto ko lang ipakita talaga, guys. Tapos, ito, the second one is this. So, may ano din siya guys, may butas-butas din siya dito. Tapos, dark green yung kulay niya. And then, the next one is this one. So, parang ano siya guys, oh, very, yung baggy look lang ba. So, when Paris goes to childcare, yung mga ganito yung pinapasuot ko sa kanya. Ayan. So, this is a little bit long for her. But alam niyo na guys, yung mga bata, madali yan siyang lumaki. Kaya, that's fine. Tapos, other one here is another pants. Parang checkered siya guys, na black and white. Tingnan niyo. Super cute talaga guys. Grabe. Tapos, meron dito? This white skirt. Ito, hindi pa ito nasuot ni Paris guys, kasi medyo malaki pa sa para dito sa sa waist niya. So, hindi pa niya nasuot. So, I'm looking forward na ipasuot niya sa kanya. And then, another pants is this pink stripe white na pants. Tingnan niyo. Super cute, no? Ayan. Tapos, ito, medyo maliit na to sa kanya ngayon. Maliit yata yung nabili ko. Hindi ko alam. Nasuot niya to once, I think. And then, that's it. So, ayan. Tapos, next one is ito. Ito naman siya, malaki. Kung hindi maliit, malaki. So, ito medyo malaki pa siya. But, have a look at this. This is one of my favorite na nabili ko sa website na to guys for Paris. I-close lang to. So, you can, well, she can wear it just like this. Or she can wear it with the white shirt underneath. Parang ganito ba? Oh, diba? Bongga, guys, diba? Anyways, that's it. And, what about pants? Okay, I'll show you the tops. Tingnan you guys, how cute is this one? Ooh, this print is very Dolce & Gabbana print. So, ito pala yung partner nito. Ayan, oh. Yan sila magka-partner. Super cute talaga. Tapos, itong white na parang gartira siya dito sa shoulder part dito. Ayan. Super cute. Tapos, another white top. Ewan ko guys, I really love white in Paris. I think it's just, yeah, very, very, ladylike. Ladylike. Ice cream, chocolate, lahat dito guys, malagay. White, very hard to, wash. Tapos, this is the next one. So, it says, warning, I break things. Which is very true. So, ito yung partner nito. Ayan, tignan nyo guys. Oh, yan siya. Tapos, pinapasuot ko lang si Paris ng sneakers with this. Very fashionista talaga ang dating. Meron pa yung pants. Ay, ito. May shorts pa pala. Ayan. So, yan siya. Tapos, yung pair naman ito, guys, is this pink top na may, anong nakalagay? Love. Ayan, o. Na super cute. Ayan. Tapos, ito nga yung natanggap ko, guys. Hindi ko pa na-open kasi gusto kong sabay nating tingnan. So, this one is a floral set. And, guys, again, this, oh, nice. This print reminds me of Dolce & Gabbana. Like, this is very Dolce & Gabbana. Oh, my God. I seriously can't wait for Paris to wear this. Have a look how cute this thing is. Again, so that's the bottom. I think this will fit her very, very well. So, ayan. So, that's it. Tapos, ito, guys. Set din to siya. Pink yung bottom niya, tapos white with polka dots yung top. Oh my God! Very cute! So, ito yung top. Tapos, pink lang na bottom. Oh my God! Tingnan nyo guys, tingnan nyo. Kaya kayong mga mami dyan, naku, you should definitely check out Aliexpress kung gusto nyo magmukhang fashionista yung mga anak nyo for a very low price. Yung bang, kasi, I admit, like I paid maybe, I don't know, I'd say $50 for a top for Paris, and I thought it was ridiculous because it's one top lang guys, $50. Like, but then, pag gusto mo talaga guys, bibilhin mo talaga. So, yun yung nangyari guys. So, that's why I'm finding like alternative. Don't get me wrong, bumibili pa rin ako ng mga pag nakikita ko sa mga shop, yung mga sale, mga ganyan, $30, $20, ganyan, binibili ko. But now, I'm really addicted to Aliexpress. Like, for this, I think I paid $10, I'd say, for this set. 10 or 12, yeah, around that. Tingnan nyo, super cute, no? And then, the last one na dumating, hindi ko alam ano to. We'll see, we'll see. Yes! Oh my God, yes, this print is another Dolce & Gabbana inspired print. Again, this is a set that I remember now. Oh, have a look at this. Tapos yung top niya, oh. May mga ganito pa. Ang top niya. Tingnan niyo, oh. Hala, grabe. Grabe, Judani ka cute si Paris tanahon. Tawas haba kayo. Can you hear her, guys? Kaya sabi ko sa kanya, pumunta kayo ni Daddy sa sa kwarto. Kasi, saba ka siya, guys. Tapos, I think, may bag pa pala. Saan pa? Hanapin ko muna yung bum bag, guys. Kasi kasama nito, may bum bag akong binili para sa kanya. So, let me find it. I'll come back in a minute. So, guys, I'm back. And with Paris here. So, pakita ko sa inyo yung bum bag na binili ko para sa kanya. Tingnan nyo, oh. Anak! Ano na, unsa na may ako, anak? Tingnan nyo, guys. Super liit niya. Pang baby talaga. Tingnan nyo, ang nakalagay game. Ayan. Pasuot natin sa kanya. Nak, suotin mo na ka. Wear this one so they will see. Tingnan nyo ang batang maliit. Huy! Huy! Shh. Hi! You wanna say hi? So, yung iba, guys, sinasabi nila na don't buy too many clothes for kids. Kasi nga, di ba, mabilis silang lumaki. But then, sa akin naman, guys, hindi ako nasasayangan pag kahit bumili ako ng marami. Kasi, yung sister-in-law ko, guys, kakapanganak lang din niya nung, hindi 1 year na pala yung guys, yung anak niya. So, yung mga gamit ni Paris, napupunta sa pamangkin ko. Kaya, I don't feel bad na parang sayang lang kasi hindi na masusuot ni Paris kasi may sumusunod naman, guys, yung parang pamana kasi nga pag hindi na masuot ng anak ng kuya ko, guys, pwede din namang ibigay ulit sa sa anak ng cousin ko o so that's why I feel okay, I feel good, like, buying clothes for Paris because I know that it doesn't go to waste. I know that it makes me happy because, of course, guys, it makes me really happy when someone says, my daughter is well dressed. Alam mo yung ganun. Kasi every time na dinadala ko si Paris sa childcare, guys, yung mga teachers niya, sinasabi na very fashionista daw si Paris. Like, they're saying, I hope I have a mom that dressed me up like that. But yeah. Then you guys, narinig niyo yan, guys? Very, guys, very noisy. Okay, yung mga moms dyan, yun nga sabi ko, try nyo i-check yung
Mommy!
Yes, honey. Oh, pig! Try nyo i-check yung Aliexpress kasi they're very affordable. Tapos, yun nga, guys, the only downside is matagal siyang dumating. So, if you are buying for an occasion, so maybe don't take the risk kasi baka dumating siya ng month or maybe 5 weeks pa. Kaya yung sa akin pag bumili ako, hindi ko na ini-expect, hinihintay ko na lang pag dumating siya. Parang ganun lang ba. But yeah, you should definitely give it a go kasi pag yung mga pinapasuot kay Paris, may marami pa nito, guys. Hindi ko na kasi andun sa closet niya. Hindi ko na ipapakita sa inyo. These are just, some. Kasi addict na tong mama niya, guys, sa mga damit ng baby niya. Anak, what are you doing, baby? Come down.
Baby.
So that's about it for today's video, guys. I hope that you enjoyed. Binalik ko na si Paris sa daddy niya kasi very, siya dito, guys. Nag-wild siya dito, guys, kaya binalik ko muna siya sa daddy niya. But, yeah, I really hope that you enjoyed this video, guys. And please, check out this website because I think they are awesome. Thank you very much for watching. As always, appreciate your time. And I hope that you give this a thumbs up and also hit the subscribe button to be a part of this family because I love you all on board. And yeah, I hope to see you all guys in the next one. Don't forget to be good, and if you can't, be careful. Bye!